It's an open house at their new facility in Brierley Hill. Now, first of all, you're thinking, where are the machine tools? Well, don't worry, they're coming very soon. But I'm sitting on this because you can win a weekend for two at the British Grand Prix. So whoever drives this fastest gets to win that. And Wednesday night, they've got the world famous party night. So do not miss that. You can still get yourself registered. Now, let's go and look at some of their machines. So behind me you've got the BNE 51. What can you expect from this machine? Well, as you expect, 51 mil bar capacity, but inside the working envelope, twin spindle, twin turret. Now, spindle itself, 15 kilowatts of power, driven tools on each turret, 2.2 kilowatts of power, and 12 stations on each turret, all fully driven. Now, also exceptionally rigid, so it's got box sideways around the machine. So again, holding tolerances, repeatability, accuracy all day long. The Mitsubishi control, exceptionally fast, exceptionally easy to use. But I think what we need to do is showcase what it can manufacture. A great example is this component here. Now this is coming off in just over 2 minutes, can you believe? Now there's a lot of work going in there. Cross drilling, flats, threading, through bore there, internal threading. But they've also engraved there on the flat and haven't even used a Y-axis on it. So that shows intricacy of what this machine can do. That's a BNE 51. This machine's been getting a lot of attention, the ABX 64, so we snuck in between the crowds, so we have to be quick on this one. Now, as you expect, 64 mil bar, and that can be fed through a bar feed, but you can take bigger billets if you want to, and that can be gantry loaded, so it gives you loads of flexibility on that. It's an exceptionally huge, powerful machine. Twin spindle, twin turret, or triple turret if you want that option. Now, in terms of power, you've got 15 kilowatts coming through the spindle and 4.5 through the driven tooling, so exceptionally powerful. And a great example is a component just down beside me here, which is part of an oil drill drive. Now that is made in one hit in less than 40 minutes, so impressive stuff. That's the ABX 64. Now, the D25, what do you get in this machine? Well, it's a full 5-axis machine. It will take 25 mil bar. So you're thinking a 25 mil impeller as an example, so really impressive stuff. Now, in the actual machine, you've got twin spindle, but both spindles have LFB technology, so you get that process security, no operator intervention, so you can safely run 24/7. You've got twin gangs in there, and also an independent Z-axis, which you don't find on many machines of this type. Then over my other shoulder here, you've got the M800 control, and it's a touchscreen, which is only on this at the moment, but will be coming on other machines in the citizen range very, very soon. And as a great example of what it can machine, this part here is actually a bottle opener, so I might be keeping it. But there you can see, bored all the way through. Very, very thin walls there. Now these are coming off in around 40 seconds, so impressive stuff. You can keep it running 24/7. That's a D25. So that is a brief insight into the Citizen Machinery Open House at their new facility in Brierley Hill. Now, you haven't missed the opportunity to attend. There's still 2 more days to go, so get yourself registered, get yourself down here, see those machines, win that weekend for two at the British Grand Prix, and take advantage of those huge discounts for the open house specials.